welcome back to my channel. So tonight I thought I would just turn the camera on and just start filming. I don't know what I'm going to film. I don't know what look I'm going to do. So if you want to be as surprised as I am for this makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, to start out with, I'm going to prime the eyelids with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just begin to dab that out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm going to use that banana shade just to set everything on my eyelids so we have no creasing. Oh yeah, you guys, but one thing that I did pick up today is the new Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette. So I am going to play with this beauty right here. Can we just take a minute of silence and admire the gorgeousness of this, if gorgeousness is a word? Can we admire it? So I'm going to be playing with this today, but like I said, I'm not sure what, but I just wanted to show you this, and I might do some swatches. I really don't want to mess it up, but I don't know, we'll see. But this is what I'm going to be using. Pick it up at Sephora, $27. You won't be satisfied. You better be. You won't be disappointed. You will not be disappointed in this, okay? So now I'm going to jump right into the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette, and I'm going to use that brown shade called Bel Air, and I'm just going to use it as a transition shade all over my lid. So next I'm going to pick up this blue shade out of the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette. These little palettes are so cute. I did find them, like I say, at Sephora for $27. They are absolutely super pigmented, and this is the only thing of Huda Beauty that I own, so I'm very pleased with this eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put some Coty Airspun powder underneath of my eyes, just so I don't have any fallout, because I did already do my foundation and base off of camera. Now I'm getting ready to cut the crease, and I'm going to use the same concealer that I used to prime the eyelids to cut the crease. And this was a little bit difficult for me. I do find that my ColourPop concealer is a little bit more creamier, and it cuts the crease a lot better. So that's why you see me struggling right here a little bit. It should actually just glide on very smooth and easy, you know, to make it a little bit easier. But this, as you can see, I was struggling with it. It is of a little bit more thicker consistency. So I don't know, I just struggled with that right there. But anyways, the show shall go on. Now I'm picking up the Smoky Obsessions palette, and I'm using that gold shade in there. And this shade is so beautiful. When I swatched it in Sephora, I could not make a decision between the two palettes. So, of course, I had to get them both. But this shade, you guys, is beautiful. It's so gold. It's so sparkly. I don't know if the camera's doing it any justice, but in person, it was absolutely gorgeous. I loved it. And these palettes are amazing. Like I said, if you guys don't have them, you should go pick them up, because you will not be disappointed. All right, guys, next I'm using this BH Cosmetics Base Booster. It is a glitter and shadow glue, and I put that over top of the gold shadow that I put down, just to be able to lay some gold glitter on top of it, because the look that I had just wasn't giving me enough pop. It just wasn't giving me enough life. So, you know, glitter makes everything perfect. And yeah, so I wanted to add some glitter, and I actually used the NYX glitter. I will insert a picture of it right here for you. All right, guys, next I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Transforming Powder, and this is in the shade 70, which is pure beige, and I'm just going to take that and use it to set everything on my face. And next I'm going to take the Mega Glow contouring palette and use that brown shade in there just to bronze up the skin a little bit, give me a little bit more color because I like to be real bronzy, and yeah, you know, I just like bronzer, so I'm using that as a bronzer. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray because when you use a lot of powder, you need to continuously set your face. Now I'm going to go ahead and prep the lashes because I'm going to go in with the Salon Perfect lashes in the style, I was going to say shade, in the style 614. And there you have it, just like that, which I love these because they're super wispy. And now I'm taking the MAC Modern Mandarin blush and I'm just going to pop that on the cheeks just a little bit just to give me some color there. And next I'm going to take that blue shade back in the same palette and I'm going to take that in the bottom lower waterline and just begin to smoke out some blue right there. Next, I will be going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This is in the shade Precious Petals, and you guys know this is my favorite of all times drugstore highlighter. It's absolutely amazing. So after setting my face again, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop X Shayla. This is the Luxe lipstick in the shade Ooh. I think that's cute because Shayla always says Ooh. It's actually spelled O-U-U-U-U-U. And that's what the name, the shade color of this lipstick. It's super, super cute. It's real peachy, real neutral too at the same time. So it's good. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun creating this for you. I actually got a little bit of inspiration. I've seen Katie McCallis post a look similar to this on her Instagram. Again, I'll link her YouTube channel down below. This Friday, my son is graduating high school and this is his school colors. So when I sat down with these new palettes and I was like, what am I gonna do? And I thought about his school colors and I just thought, oh, that'd be perfect. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and stay beautiful. All right guys, thank you so much. Wait a minute, shoot. Hold on a second. All right guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed creating it for you. I just looked away. I really hold on, I forgot what I was gonna say. Makes sense. All right guys, this is the end of this video.